This is over the Epstein files. As far as the case of fallout is now concerned, now the Department of Justice has now issued a statement over certain missing files. This is a day after more than thousands of documents and photographs that have been released on part of the Department of Justice webpage containing files on Jeffrey Epstein. They have found to have been disappeared from the department's website. Now that the photos have been restored, what has now been said that the Deputy Attorney General has clarified that the image was removed from the website after learning that there were concerns about a woman in a photo. So they pulled down that particular photo, but it had nothing to do with President Trump. So this is as far as when it comes to a very few mention or reveals of President Trump that has been done in the recent release of the photographs and the documents on part of the Department of Justice, and a lot more frequently that you can spot the former President Bill Clinton in those pictures. Questions have already been raised as far as when it comes to transparency over these release. Let's connect with Rishabh on this. Rishabh, certain of the removal of the pictures there, has the Department of Justice restored the files after this removal? Because they seem to believe that a certain woman in the picture shouldn't actually have been shown.
Well, definitely. There are arguments and counter-arguments, while many within the political circle believe that because of the influence of the presidential office, these pictures have been removed, while many believe that this was actually done for the reason what DOJ is saying. The occurrence of former President of the United States, Bill Clinton, again and again raises questions as well. And also, there are a lot of ifs and buts on the clarity and, transparency of these pictures being released. It remains to be seen what DOJ says in coming days, but definitely Epstein file.
So the Department of Justice has restored online a photo of from the Jeffrey Epstein files that contained images showing President Trump after the backlash over its removal. Well, Rishabh, thank you very much for joining in. We head into a short break. You're watching The Morning News.